25. Best business ideas for 2025. Sorted by lowest investment. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 25 low investment business ideas for 2025, ranked by how little you need to get started. These ideas are realistic, flexible, and perfect for beginners. Let's jump into the world of affordable entrepreneurship. 1. Freelance writing. Offer blog posts, articles, or website content to businesses and websites. Estimated initial investment, $0. 2. Affiliate marketing. Earn commission by promoting other people's products online. Estimated initial investment, $0. 3. Language translation. Use your language skills to translate documents or content. Estimated initial investment, $0. 4. Resume and cover letter services. Help people get hired by offering professional writing services. Estimated initial investment, $0. 5. Virtual assistant. Provide administrative support from anywhere in the world. Estimated initial investment, $0. 6. Online tutoring. Teach subjects or skills via Zoom or Skype with minimal setup. Estimated initial investment, $0. 7. Voiceover services. Start with a good mic and offer services for ads, audiobooks, or videos. Estimated initial investment, $20. 8. Social media management. Help small businesses grow their presence on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Estimated initial investment, $20. 9. Digital products. Sell ebooks, templates, or guides that people can download instantly. Estimated initial investment, $20. 10. Pet sitting and dog walking. Start locally with little more than a love for animals. Estimated initial investment, $20. 11. Tech support services. Offer help to seniors or small businesses with tech issues. Estimated initial investment, $30. 12. Cleaning services. Residential or office cleaning needs minimal equipment to start. Estimated initial investment, $40. 13. Gardening or landscaping. Offer simple gardening tasks in your neighborhood. Estimated initial investment, $40. 14. Print-on-demand products. Design and sell custom t-shirts, mugs, and more without holding inventory. Estimated initial investment, $50. 15. Drop shipping store. Sell products online without buying stock up front. Estimated initial investment, $50. 16. Online thrift store. Resell vintage or second-hand items through apps and websites. Estimated initial investment, $50. 17. Photography. Start with a basic camera or even your phone, then grow into events and portraits. Estimated initial investment, $60. 18. Handmade craft. Create and sell unique items on Etsy or local markets. Estimated initial investment, $70. 19. Personal fitness coach offer. Virtual training sessions or build plans for clients. Estimated initial investment, $70. 20. Mobile car wash. Bring the service to people's homes or offices with portable tools. Estimated initial investment, $100. 21. Food delivery partner. Join a food delivery platform or start a home-based delivery service. Estimated initial investment, $100. 22. Subscription box service. Curate monthly packages for a niche audience. Beauty, pets, hobbies, etc. Estimated initial investment, $150. 23. Digital marketing consultant. Use your knowledge to guide businesses through online growth. Estimated initial investment, $150. 24. Local tour guide. If you live in a tourist area, share your knowledge and passion with visitors. Estimated initial investment, $150. That's it. 25 awesome low-cost business ideas for 2025. Which one are you thinking about starting? Comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the love. Let's make 2025 your most entrepreneurial year yet.